Oh, it's not this box. This box I will probably open tomorrow or Thursday, depends how that goes. But I gotta show you guys that box that I had to open, but I didn't look like details of it, so we can consider like unboxing. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. I want to show you guys this. If you guys didn't watch, we're gonna change the lens of the Corvette, and that day unfortunately I didn't show you guys exactly what I mean. We're gonna put new lenses on, and you know that part, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint that part in black. I don't know if I can wrap or not. If I can wrap, maybe carbon fiber. What do you think? That would look sick. I think the challenge would be those parts here, so it's really hard to do. But anyway, and to remove the headlights, we gotta remove the entire bumper, and the entire bumper needs to come off. I need to bake. Yeah, you're not wrong. I need to bake those lights. I know it's a lot of work, but it's gonna be more than one day project because now we are heading to Christmas. And I don't have time, actually I don't have time to do that in one day. So I will probably start removing the bumper, and I didn't get the lenses yet. They are on the way, so by the time I get it, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to do everything once, so we're gonna kind of find a combination on this. I don't know why I'm doing this with the camera, but anyway, it's just fun. That's the thing, and I want to show you guys why I'm not doing truck content. You're gonna understand why I'm not doing truck content. Now, I hope the camera will show enough. You're not gonna believe how my truck looks like today. So yesterday we had freezing rain. Not yesterday, today, basically all day. Just got home like from work, like probably a half hour ago, and yeah, like was kind of still raining. It's not as bad now as it was in the morning, but look at the truck. Can you see it? Look at this. It's ice. Look at that. Look at that. And I was planning to do something today with the truck, like go for a drive and everything else, but there's no way I can do it. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see if I can make it brighter for you guys. Look at this. Unfortunately, I wish I could get a thumbnail, but look at this. Look, it's ice. Ice all over. Yeah, so it's ice all over. I made it brighter so you guys can see. Look at that. Dude, look at that. It's crazy. So yeah, that's how cold it is today, and I don't want to mess up with the cold because I don't even know how I'm gonna be able. It started melting though. It's not that cold anymore, and it's not raining anymore. But still, that's the reason why I'm not doing anything with the truck. Bye bye. We are looking at this box. Let me explain one thing. Since I decided to stay with the Corvette, I was super happy to make that decision. Well, next year I have one goal, and it's gonna be really hard because it's tough on budget, and I want to get this car ready for one big event. That's part of the beginning. Actually, it's funny because it's the last piece, but it is the first one I got. What I got here, it's from, let me see if I can show you the name of the company. Okay, that's what I got. I got it from Oracle Lighting, and it's a C6 Corvette C6 Oracle concept side mirrors, no painted. That's what is in the box. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. Again, it's not painted. Is this gonna look good? I don't know. Is this good quality? I believe it is because I kind of had to check to send the company the okay. And what is the difference between this one and the stock one? We have a couple of differences. Of course, it's not painted, as you guys can see. It's well built. Of course, it's really hard to show this on camera. So you have the harness here, so to plug in, have all the controls that you might need it. Of course, you have the mirror, as you guys can see the camera over there. LED strip lights. And that works as you have a red light going on, and you'll also have your signal lights going through this. I mean, it's hard to say how good it is, but I think it's gonna be the final touch for the Corvette. After getting the wide body and the bigger wheels and tires, the wing, and actually I gotta make a big decision, which is should I spend money on the engine first? And when I mean engine, is not like a big mod. I'll probably just do headers first and next pipe. I'm not even sure about the cant yet, or go to the wide body. I don't think I can do unless I come up with idea to come up with more money. Then I will be able to do the wide body and also do the headers and everything else. You guys keep watching, that helps a little bit to get that done. But yeah, let me just show you guys better here how it is. You see like the LED strip light, and basically how that's gonna look like when everything is installed. And you can see the difference between the stock one and this one. This one actually goes all the way here, so it's gonna look like more or less like this. You see, it's a different look. It's completely different. Some people don't like it, some people just hate it because it's not like, doesn't have the curves of the stock one. But I believe when we install wide body, it's gonna look way better with this one. And again, thank you so much Oracle Lighting for sending me those. We're definitely gonna work together on this. I'll figure out how to paint it or wrap it, and we'll see. Again, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep the car red. I like red, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that goes, because so yeah, they sent me two. You got everything you need to install. You got like your, your plugs. So I will leave it here for now. Again, as I said, it's gonna be the last piece probably I'll install. I will probably do like a dry test. Maybe just put it on and turn it on. What do you guys think? You want to see it? And just to see if it works and how it looks, so we can see like a stall. But yeah, that's just an open box Oracle lights. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. They have many C6 and C7 parts, and they even have a truck lighting. One thing I need to decide is the color of the car, because here's the challenge. If I buy the wide body, the white body comes the way you gotta paint, or either paint or wrap. And here we have two ways to do. If I go to paint, I gotta send to somebody else because I don't have the ability to paint. I can install here and make sure that everything fits. Maybe have some friends to help me and come over so we can work on it and make sure that it fits. Or send to paint to somebody else to paint. Or I can buy the wide body, install myself, and try to wrap the entire car. That's why I said I'm not sure about the color yet. I'm not sure which color I'm going for. Of course, it's gonna have black because the roof, the headlights, the tail lights, so it has to be something that, goes well with black. I like the red though, so I might keep it, I might not. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions. I just want to do like a quick unboxing on those lights, because it's something really different that I haven't seen anybody installing those. I saw a couple of Corvettes with it, but I never seen like people going through and open and show, and you know what I'm saying? So yeah. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers. I really want to get in 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help me hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button so we can make that happen. And I trust you guys. Alright? I hope to see you guys tomorrow. As always, thank you so much for watching. And then never forget, enjoy your life.